The answer, in essence, is that they provide a roadmap for teachers to deliver engaging and transformative learning experiences. So, what are these principles? Today, we'll delve into 7 of them. First on our list is understanding your students. This principle emphasizes the importance of recognizing the diversity within your classroom. Each student comes with their unique set of learning styles, abilities, and backgrounds. By understanding these nuances, a teacher can tailor their teaching approach, making learning more personalized and effective. Secondly, we have selecting appropriate methods. This principle is all about being adaptable. It's about matching the teaching methods to the content and the needs of the students. This might involve collaborative learning, project-based learning, or active learning. The key is to keep the learning process dynamic, engaging, and responsive to the students' needs. Our third principle is incorporating technology. This means integrating relevant technologies into the learning process to enhance engagement and facilitate interactive learning experiences. Technology can be a powerful tool in making learning more accessible and engaging, bridging gaps, and fostering creativity. The fourth principle is encouraging critical thinking. This involves designing activities that promote critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The goal here is to encourage students to analyze information, to question, to reason, rather than simply memorizing facts. Next, we have the principle of creating inclusive environments. This principle emphasizes the importance of fostering an inclusive atmosphere in the classroom. This involves acknowledging and respecting diverse perspectives, backgrounds, and experiences. In such an environment, every student feels valued, which in turn enhances their learning. The sixth principle is assessment strategies. This principle highlights the need to implement varied assessment methods that align with pedagogical goals. The focus should be on understanding and application rather than rote memorization. The aim is to make assessment a tool for learning, not just a measure of it. Finally, we have continuous reflection. This principle encourages regular reflection on teaching methods, considering what works well and what can be improved. This might involve seeking feedback from students, observing outcomes, and adapting the approach accordingly. The goal is to foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement. In summary, effective pedagogical principles are about understanding and respecting diversity, selecting appropriate methods, integrating technology, promoting critical thinking, fostering inclusivity, implementing effective assessment strategies, and engaging in continuous reflection. They provide a foundation for creating engaging and transformative learning experiences, which is the ultimate goal of education.